Hey y'all, welcome back to the House of Organic Beauty. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. But yeah, so in the last video I told you guys how I prepped her hair before I do this protective style. But I usually don't do that. I usually do everything all at once. But okay, I had a busy week, so I was like, let me just do these 2 braids here. But yeah, so in this video, I'll be showing you guys exactly what I do to retain her length and to get her hair to grow. Because her hair, we all have different textured hair, and her hair is the hardest to grow. It just grows very slow. So I've noticed that by doing these braids, her hair actually grow at an average length, and it retain the growth. I mean the length, if you know what I mean. So I've been doing this for about 2 years now, and it's been successful, and we're going to continue this journey. He chose to like hug her right now. Like, why? Yeah, I braid the hair, and at the ends I would twist it just for an easier takedown. And like I was saying, this hairstyle, honestly, I kid you not, will grow your hair. If you think your hair grows slow, do this style and leave it in for a whole month, and I kid you not, do it for like about 6 months. I kid you not, you will at least grow about 3 months. I said 3 months. 3 inches, okay? You will retain those organic inches. Trust me, you will retain those 3 inches in that 6 month. I kid you not. So yeah, this been helping, and hope you guys like the video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, all that, do the bell thing, all of that. Thank you.
on running, running. You have the final word. All I see is you.